I keep getting an A107 code saying it is detecting water leak, but there is no water leak.
Who makes your HVAC unit? How old is it?
Rheem, and it is brand new. Installed yesterday.
How long has this been going on with your Rheem unit? What have you tried so far?
Since last night and just overriding the sensor.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is Help You with You Leak Sensor if I can. Those are pretty sensitive. Have you made sure sensor is all dry as well as the area where it sits? Could have gotten damp during install. Either way, look forward to your reply. Best regards, Patrick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.